Hey friends, today we are presenting our summer training project, which is a 5-finger robotic hand using tendon transmission. So we have our friends. He is Ankur. Hi. Me, Abhishek, and this is Soham.
Hi.
So now my friend Ankur will present how it is made and connected.
Hello friends. Now we are presenting our second year project, that is 5-finger robotic arm. You can see that this is actually it is representing a human hand, but it is working like that. There is fingers. This is adjusted by the metal wires. There is a joint in between them, a metal wires. You can see like that, and these are the joints.
Yeah.
And this the white and black portion which you are seeing in on the upper side is just a padding to hold the and grab the projects. Okay. So this hand can grab the projects of a particular limitation sizes. So as it is a prototype, so that's why it's having its limitations, some limitations to hold some objects. So here you can see that this pointing things, these are the clutch wires or simple brake wires, which are used to provide the elasticity to the fingers.
They use
straighten the finger after it's after it bends.
Okay.
Now you can see there in this finger,
the fingers they have a wire running through the center. And we have used copper wires for them. These are multi-threaded copper wires, and this runs through the fingers. And
this brake wire which I've used is also a multi-threaded metal wire, steel wire. So it's having a high elasticity to straighten the finger in comparison to the motor power.
Right.
Fine. So for the running the motors, we have used a circuit which is further connected to the external source there.
Right. So this is the adapter which is supplying the power. Okay. Now I'll explain basically how the finger is working, the hand is working. As Ankur said, there is this wire which runs through the center of the finger. Each finger is divided into 3 parts. Just like a human hand, it has got 3 parts. Okay. And tendon transmission, because just like human hands have got tendons, this project is also based on similar theories. These wires are then connected to these motors. We have used these DC motors. The motors are pulleys attached on top of the motor shaft, and then the wire which is coming from each finger is then mounted on those pulleys. The motors are then connected through this external circuit which we have made. It is basically 5 switches for each finger and 1 switch to control the entire thing together. This is the basic connection, and here we have given external supply. This is a normal 2 ampere 6-volt supply, and these motors are also rated at 3.2 kgcm torque at 6 volts. Okay, so now I'll show you how it works. And first we'll put this main switch, master switch on, which supplies current to each and every finger, and then now as I will from 1 finger at a time. Okay. So you can see this is the thumb. As the motor rotated, the wire was pulled and the thumb turned.
These are the copper wires which are
multi-threaded copper wires. Now as I'll give the current in the opposite direction, the motor will turn in the opposite direction, and the finger will again. So I try to do it for each and every finger and show it to you.
This was the ring finger, it's a middle finger.
Especially, okay, wait, let me do this finger also. Right, so this is for each finger. Now, since this was a prototype, we definitely had challenges while fabricating it, and if done fabricated with even better machines, we can get even finer quality. For this, especially on the index finger, I would like to show you, it is giving us the best result, as you can see. So we can see in the index finger, the finger is moving absolutely perfectly, and this was the desired result which can be achieved.
Making the minimum radius with it.
Right. So now I'm going to show the motion of all the 5 fingers together. So for this, basically we have put all the switches on in the circuit, and the master switch will further work on all the switches. So this is when all motors are running together. Right. So the finger closes, the entire hand closes, and this is it open. So this is the basic motion, and in this way our hand will work. We can see this is just a prototype, and this is our second year in-house internship project, and the entire budget of this project was somewhere around 2,500 rupees, and basically the motors is what costed us, and for fabrication we have used wood. So yeah, all in all this was the project, and Miss Nazma Ihtisham ma'am was our faculty guide, and for our group members, once again I'll say this is my friend Ankur, Abhishek is recording the video, this is myself Soham, and we have got 2 more members, Anmol and Shiva. They aren't present here for some reason, and yeah, all in all this is the project. Thanks for watching.